Understanding make public in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, make public. This is a common expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. The phrase, make public, means to reveal information, a document, or a process to the general population, where previously it was not available or known. It is often used in contexts like journalism, legal matters, and company announcements. When something is made public, it becomes accessible to everyone. Now, let's see how to use make public in sentences. A company might make public its financial reports. A government can make public a new law or policy. Celebrities might make public an important life event. In each case, the subject is sharing information with the public domain. There are several synonyms for make public. Some of these include disclose, reveal, announce, broadcast. Each of these words can be used interchangeably depending on the context. A common mistake learners make is confusing make public with publicize. While both involve sharing information, publicize usually implies actively promoting or advertising the information. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of make public. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to make public your questions or comments below. See you in the next video.